Oldham Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last week when, Tuesday the 15th of October 2024, where, working on footpaths on the Oldham Way off Buckstones Road Shaw. What? Strimming footpaths on and around the Oldham Way and installing waymarker posts and waymarking. After recceing the route, 3 posts were installed this week. Who? 8 volunteers out this week: Ken, Bob, Tony, Paul, Mike, Kevin, Keith and Neil. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Volunteers working for walkers. Keep on walking.